Drivin Ivan here in the Sarasota Vintage Vehicle Museum. Oh my god, there's some great stuff here. Duchevaux, Delahaye. Look at this thing. Gauguin's Streamliner. You don't see one of those a lot. This is all the old stuff. I'm going to take you back here though because this Porsche is making me drool. Newer Ferraris. Nice, but look at that thing in the corner. Jeezy peasy. What is that? More cars. But look at these Porsches. Very early 356. Check out my review elsewhere on YouTube of the 356, but these are very early cars. There's a early 50s, the one that won the SCCA, actually, 1953, which I've done a full video on. Check that one out. It's a beautiful car that Porsche actually wants to buy back from the owner. Interesting story there, but man, look at this beauty. Whew. I'm kind of in love with this one. Not gonna lie to you. All my cars are blue if I can help it, and this is kind of right. I mean, look, even the fastback Mustang looks good. That's a GT350. Audi rally car here. Check out my review of my Lancia Delta Integrale. But this is the Shelby Mustang, and then, look, but wait, there's more. Look at that. Wow, great stuff back there. This is an incredible museum. If you happen to be driving through Sarasota, come check it out. Alfa Romeo SZ here. Lamborghini Gallardo, I guess. I actually saw one of these up in the area where I'm from recently at a car show. Alfa SZ Zagato design. There's a Viper. This you can tell is probably an early GTB. Ferrari GTB 308. Very cool. Notice the top doesn't come off like the Magnum PI car. Here we go with this is the first iteration of the Testarossa. It's got both windows on it. They actually gave them different names for having the windows. This is a 365 Ferrari right here. You want to see the Corvettes too. And there's an old, it's not a 968. That's a 944, I think. Cabriolet, really cool. Here's a Speedster. Let's see if I was right. Yeah, 944 S2. Beautiful Porsche Turbo, the 930, 911 Turbo. Internal designation is 930. This looks like one of the special edition 928s because he just came in that color, I believe, early 80s. I have a full review of an automatic 84 928, and the one I currently own is 1978 5-speed. Check out my reviews elsewhere on YouTube. 924 here. Really cool. And Boxster. And a 944 again. There's the Targa version right there. And this is the this is a 330, I believe, Ferrari. It's might be a little different because it's a little longer than the 330. It looks like. Let me see if I can figure it out. Black interior, blue. Yeah, 365 GTC 2+2 is the correct designation on that one. I used to have all these memorized when I was much younger. Big fan of Ferrari. I've toured the factory. Got some interviews online with Valentino Balboni, Lamborghini test driver. Check those out. But here we go. This is beautiful. It's like it's an Iso Revolta, I think. Let me see if I'm right. Yes, Iso Revolta GT. See, I don't need these placards to tell me. Big fan of the Iso Griffo. Basically an Italian design with a American engine in it. Let's see what this one has in there. Milan, Italy. 4-speed manual. Yeah, 350. So there you go. V8 pushrod Chevy Corvette with Italian design. So basically what you have is Ferrari style with American engine in it, and that's wow. And an Iso Revolta Lele, and a man, they got every Iso in here. So cool. This one looks like the Lamborghini, sort of like an Espada a little bit. It's from the same time period basically. So Iso Revolta Lele Sport, and wow, Just, you don't see those every day. This is really cool. And this is the Isso Griffo. So like I was talking about, very cool. Wow. Isso Revolto. This one too looks like a Countach, doesn't it? So cool. Wow. Walk around this way. You got to take that in. Look at that. Very cool. Must be a prototype or something. Verado. Isso Revolto Verado. Yeah. In the early 70s, Puro Revolto decided they needed to add a mid-engine supercar. And there you have it. Very cool. Excellent. So there you have it. What a cool museum. Yeah. This one is called a tiburon, Spanish for shark. And that's about one of the coolest looking concepts I've seen. It's got to be out of the, what, 60s or something?
Early 60s.
Yeah. So cool. That's when they did that Corvette prototype that looked so awesome. John Lennon sort of decorated Bentley. Here's late 60s Cadillac Coupe de Ville here in a cool brown color. You don't see that very often. And Mazda Cosmo, right? Or something like that? Mm-hmm. This is the Cosmo Kramer of cars, the Mazda Cosmo. Is it rotary engined?
It is.
Yeah, so there you go.
I had bought the Wankel engine.
Mm-hmm. Look at the interior. God, that is gorgeous.
And improved it so that it was reliable, and they had a nice body to put it in to show off the world.
And they did it. That looks like a Prowler. What's that?
That's a modified Prowler, yeah.
Okay. Hellcat. I've reviewed that. Check out elsewhere. Just Google Drivin Ivan Hellcat for my review of the Hellcat. Mm-hmm. This is, well, you know, Enzo Ferrari said the E-Type was the prettiest car, but this one's a later one from the 70s, early 70s, right? Mid 70s.
Yeah, it's a 12
And they don't quite look as good in my opinion, but they're still very beautiful cars. Wow, you even got the vintage driving games and such. And you've got what I own, which I'm surprised to see in here, the Fried Egg 996, which is kind of funny. That's just a regular hardtop, right?
Well, it's a millennial with that sort of metallic paint change color.
So it's a special edition?
Special paint.
That's cool. And so
it's a millennial.
This isn't an actual John Lennon car, right?
It was the actual copy car that
Okay.
Movie World had in California. They bought the original in '68.
Wow. You didn't get that from Hollywood Picture Cars, did you?
No, but I know the owner that quite well.
Yeah, I do too. I did a story on him when I was out in LA. Nice guy.
Yeah, he's got a place in Clearwater too.
Does he? Oh, okay. Yeah.
Scotty Bose.
This looks like an Audi. It looks like all sorts of stuff, but it's a Ford prototype or something?
It is. Prodigy.
Ford Prodigy. Why don't they build this stuff? You know? They should build it. And of course, this thing is awesome. They're calling it a Ford XR46, but I'm calling it a Mercer XR4 Ti. Am I right or am I wrong?
It's been modified with 350 horsepower motor and ground effects package that they used when rallying.
NSU Rotary also? Yeah.
I got our share of rotary cars.
I see that. Is that a theme? This is kind of an ordinary looking 3 Series. Why is this in here?
Oh, it's got an M motor in it.
Oh, okay. There you go. I knew that. I see. That's why I asked. And look, you have a Citroen like mine. Did you get this from Clearwater?
No, a friend had it and passed away, and
Well, that's too bad.
left it to my son.
So I have a pink Cx Wagon.
A pink.
Woody. Yeah, it was built as a surf wagon. I got it in Clearwater, Florida, actually.
How about that?
That's in the Drivin Ivan collection. Just Google Drivin Ivan Citroen CX if you want to see my Citroen. What is this? Cord?
That is an extended cord.
It is? I was right? I can't believe it.
It's extended about 2 foot. It's
Custom
on a Chrysler
cord
chassis.
fate. Wow. That is so cool. You've got some just awesome stuff in here. But you don't own all of these, or do you own these?
No, not
So-
all of them.
Okay, that's cool. You got some interesting taste. What's in your fleet? I'm curious. What's your baby?
Oh, there's so many. I like lots of different.
You don't want to say, do you?
I just like a lot of different cars.
Yeah. All right, well, there you go. Tell me, what's the official name of the museum again? What's the official name of the museum?
Sarasota Classic Car Museum.
Sarasota Classic Car Museum. Come check this out. It's a changing collection, so you won't necessarily see what's here right now. If you're passing through Sarasota, Florida, and you like cars, you owe it yourself to come here. Check it out. And if you want a spiker, you never know what you're going to find on the for sale side. So come on down here. If you like rare, cool cars, you need to check this place out. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Check out all my other videos. Just Google Drivin Ivan and your favorite car, and you will find it. And there you have it. Bye for now. I'm Drivin Ivan.